welcome to Birdie Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder. To do this, you're going to need some peanut butter. We're using organic whole earth peanut butter. You'll need some bird seed, which we bought from the range. And you'll need 2 toilet rolls. And you will need a piece of string. And also a early years child who wants to learn all about birds. Let's get on with making the cake.
Yeah.
So we open up the peanut butter first, and you might want to have a smell of that. Is that nice?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So then we are going to use our knives and we are going to spread the peanut butter onto the toilet roll. Things can get a bit messy, so we're just going to roll up our sleeves. Probably should have put aprons on for this.
Me.
Bing! And we have our aprons on and we are ready to go. So we are going to paste the peanut butter onto the toilet roll. That's right. And basically what we're doing here is using the peanut butter as glue. So we just paste it, whoa, paste it on to the toilet roll like that. Put a big blob on yours, you paste it round, Theo. That's it. Obviously, we don't have nut allergies in our family. Well, we do actually. My sister has that, but I haven't, and Theo hasn't. So we're able to do this. No, you haven't got any nut allergies. So we're able to do this. If you did have a nut allergy, we couldn't do it, Theo. So just paste that round. You can cut down. So we've done one and we're just finishing off the other. I think, having done this, I'm thinking smooth peanut butter might be easier than crunchy. But I think the birds are probably going to like crunchy more. But we will see. Hey, there's a science experiment in itself, isn't it? You could make one with smooth, one with crunchy, and you could see which one got more bird visitors.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could.
Me
Baby birds, little birds.
baby.
You want little birds, do you?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So we've got our 2 toilet rolls covered in peanut butter. Now we've got this baking tray and we're going to fill it with bird seed. So we'll just pour this into here.
Well, me pat.
You can pat it down. And now we're going to roll the toilet roll in the seeds. And we've got to press down quite hard because we want the seeds to stick onto the toilet roll.
Me.
You could also put little bits of grated cheese, any leftover bread, anything you've got at home could go on there perfectly.
No, me.
You do that, Theo.
Mama.
Very good. And then for the final touch, we need to use a piece of string and put a piece of string through the toilet roll so that we can hang it from a tree outside, don't we? And the best sort of place to hang these is if you've got a garden feeder and the birds already visit a garden feeder, put it there. If you've got little bushes around the sides of your garden, you could put it there. If you don't have a garden, you could hang it out the window and see how you get on. If like if you've got a balcony, you could do that on a balcony. I'm going to upload a film that a lady made. She made her own bird feeder on a balcony, and it was brilliant. She got loads of blue tits come into her garden, and then that hangs up on a tree. We're done. Thank you for watching.